Oh, hello YouTube. VT Dipper here, coming from the great state of Vermont. With a little special today. Somebody told me that someone's having an anniversary. Somebody very dear to our hearts. Grizzly Natural Long Cut. Love it. Keeper of the Dip. Miss Keeper of the Dip. Congratulations on your anniversary. Keeper, what you do for the YouTube community and the Dipper community with Dipper Nation and Tobacco We Trust is such a great thing. Miss Keeper, for you, just putting up with Keeper is a blessing. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, from the bottom of my heart, for allowing Keeper to give us all the great places and the funny laughs and just a happy place to hang out. So congratulations, guys, on your anniversary. I hope you have many more to come, and God bless you. This is VT Dipper signing out. Have a great night, y'all.